Want to create stunning AI videos from just text and images using Pollo AI? Today, we're doing a real, unfiltered look at this platform to see if it's actually ready for you to use. If you've been searching for easy ways to turn your text prompts or still photos into high-quality videos, you might have run across Pollo AI. On paper, it sounds like the perfect tool for creators. But when we actually went to test the website and sign up, we hit a major roadblock right at the front door. Instead of a clean dashboard, we were met with a persistent Cloudflare security verification screen, asking us to prove we aren't bots. While security is great, having such a heavy verification wall right away makes it incredibly difficult to get a quick look at how the actual video generator works. On top of that, if you are looking for user reviews to see if this tool is worth your time or money, there is almost no verified user feedback available online right now. Because we don't want to make up fake features or guess on pricing, we have to be honest. We can't verify what the inside of the tool looks like, how fast it generates videos, or if the quality actually lives up to the hype. So what's our final verdict? If you want to try Pollo AI, proceed with caution. You might have to jump through some security verification hoops just to see the homepage, and since there are no trusted reviews yet, we recommend not putting in any sensitive payment information until the platform becomes more transparent. Have you actually managed to get past the security screen and create a video with Pollo AI? Let us know your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.